Yeah. That's fine.
Alright, it looks like
I was watching fucking her
there's
Instagram
no
account. I was
flags.
Guys, watch out.
No nades, right?
No, nothing.
Yeah.
Just straight up.
Destroy the objective. We got the
You guys
bomb.
just sniping.
Hey, they're probably gonna be watching crosses with the sniper, so keep your head down.
I didn't see anything crossed A.
Go on.
Can anybody see head glitch?
What head glitch?
I'm going.
Buddy.
Mid head glitch? I don't see anybody. I'm gonna cross the street here, get a little crazy. Wow.
I'm in A.
I'm here with you, Riley.
Gonna put it down.
I
Stay up.
think we're over there.
Fucking no scope off right
Max, if you can just stay up, I got.
Bomb has been planted.
Yeah, I got. There's two by me at B. Don't worry about this shit. I'm about to fucking hit a triple. Alright, he's the bottom building coming towards you right now.
No, he just got me.
Stay up, that guy. You're right.
I think he's above you. Just stay where you are.
Right behind him. Ooh,
No, why did I shoot?
outside. How about that?
How about that?
I
Oh,
actually
that dude, nice.
got into a no scope off.
Bomb defused.
That was brutal.
We lost
Wait, you
that
don't
round,
have to
but
use
it's not
that
over yet.
deep
Get
impact,
ready for
right?
the next one.
No.
No.
You need
You have the
that
choice of
silence.
using that end, so I got that.
Search and
There's
destroy.
no wall
Dee-dee-dee.
beans on this map anyways.
I was gonna
Defend the
throw a,
objective.
Might as well watch the cross, huh?
I was gonna throw a stun, but oh, I forgot you can't do that.
One just went A, Riley. I missed him.
Oh yeah, he's here. He's here.
Oh my, there's another one that just crossed.
Waiting for me here. I don't like that.
Right, guy. I'm gonna watch the far back here. Is it quick scope, no scope only, or what's the deal?
No, you can
Go
just
for it.
shoot him however.
Oh, sweet.
Guy back. You got that guy?
Yeah.
You got
Oh, he's in
guy
the corner
back?
next to me. Ew, he's at A. He just ran towards you, Sniper Marsh. Nice, Sniper Marsh.
God.
The guy here, one next to you.
Might be mid map.
Maybe below you.
It might have been me.
I thought I heard
Could
somebody
have
say.
been. Yeah, Riley's got.
Good job, team.
Nice.
Get ready for the next
I was
round.
gonna say Riley doesn't have dead silence on
Guys,
either, so
close
you'd
and turn your
heard him
TVs
loud.
off so you can't see my aimbot. This is when I activated it.
Oh shit, that black scope, bro.
Switching sides.
Oh, kill him.
It looks like we're gonna
Search and destroy.
bullets only to put up on the tube here.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Always record. You know these Gamebattles kids want to dispute for nothing. Always record.
I didn't see anything crossing there, Riley. Hey, I'll watch your mid. Watch your left, Riley.
Top building.
I'm gonna try and hit him from mid map. Oh,
Fuck me.
shit.
We got the bomb.
Peeping.
I just saw one in the back of their spawn.
Check top.
I just swore I just fucking.
I don't see him.
There's two over there. Watch your. He's by you. That was. Why would the hell would you ever stand it?
Because I could see over
Oh,
the.
I'm
We
an
lost
idiot.
that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Yeah.
Should have kept looking where I was, bro. I would have had that nigga.
Offense is
I say that
higher.
word. Whoops.
What?
That didn't even hit me, bro.
Switching sides.
Lesson from Angelina Jolie: you can curve a bullet.
Search and destroy.
Bruh.
I'm about to get a pick on the mid this time.
Defend the
I'm in
objective.
love with the Barrett, by the way. I started using it after I watched you use it, hipster. Great. Great.
Not bad. I only use it because of Juggernauts.
I didn't see anybody cross. Nah, I think they're playing B.
Yeah, I would agree with that statement. I'm not seeing shit. I'm already in the second floor building.
I think we're set up pretty good right now. Rather, are you sitting down on that one wall again, like you were before?
Yeah, brother. You know me.
One just crouch walked into mid. That's okay. Calm down. By statue.
Up.
I'm still down.
I got one.
Ooh,
Oh,
llama.
the last one's upstairs.
Oh, don't do it to a
Ready
llama.
for the next round.
Llama, don't do it to them.
Saucing.
Oh, did you just hit a trick shot or something, dude?
Yeah, Rochester 360 no scope. Oh,
Oh.
ayo, hey, we are. It's so easy in this game to quick scope.
Switching sides.
Bro, the no scopes in the actual COD 4 were unreal.
Search and destroy.
Yeah, you hit that YY no scope and then it went straight as an arrow every time.
Completely.
Destroy the objective.
An arrow that's very
We
crooked
got
and
the
doesn't go
bomb.
straight, but
Yeah, but it works, you know.
not bad. I didn't watch the cross day this time. FYI.
Oh,
Disclaimer.
I got an ear scratch right now.
There's a guy top. There's a guy there top building.
Okay, we'll try to sneak to him. I scratched in my ear.
All right. Just fuck with him.
I'm gonna try and get him, rather.
Well, I'm almost in the bottom of their building here.
I don't see him up there right now.
In the bottom.
He's up there anyway.
I just ran across. Right, watch mid map. I don't know where it's gonna come from. Never mind.
Oh my god.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh my god. This game is scary as fuck with bullets. I saw the tip of his fucking gun come through the doorway. I was in. Hey, brother. It's up here with me. Might be under me.
Nick, you got mid map?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Hey, just stay down. Just stay over by the
He's-
bomb. I got.
He's on street. He's on street.
He's next to
Street
me.
by statue. And the other one.
He just ran to the back door. Back door, rather. We got time. We're good.
He's garbage can.
He's to your right. Good try. It's all good, bro.
I didn't even know Nick died.
Yeah, I said he came in and then he shot me.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next
Boy,
round.
I was in like that. I was in the thick of it, bro.
If it makes you
We
guys
just gotta
feel
win this
better,
D round.
Halftime.
quick scope the guy, and I lagged at the same time, and it showed that I didn't even shoot.
Search and destroy.
Like,
It's an MLG
lit.
shot.
it was actually super lit.
Defend the objective.
Ragzo.
He asked me, can you tell me who crossed?
I'm not seeing anything crossing on my map. Nope. I'm done looking that way.
Alright, there's one about to be coming to my left in this building. Crouch walking now. What the fucking lag is that?
Oh my god, they're playing B too. I thought they were going A after that.
Oh, you're almost so close.
Bro, sit that head glitch, dog. Uh-oh. Down bomb.
Uh
Practice.
oh.
That round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Right now is I'm lagging when I see people.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, dude. That looked like a bit of a panic. Like, he got in the thick of
What?
it, as he said. He got a little bit scrambled.
I did. I panicked. He's
Switching
at the top.
Hey, bro.
Search and destroy.
That's all. Just hey, bro.
Up front llama with the quick.
I'm gonna use that
Destroy the
ACOG.
objective. We got the
I'm
bomb.
using that ACOG, bro.
Carolina shoot straight, man.
Great. That's why. That's why. Nigga. Oh, I think he just shot at me. I'm gonna rotate over to you, right? I probably shouldn't go this way though.
Put it down
Yeah,
here.
put down Death Rider. I'm watching bomb trade.
The bomb has been planted.
Alright, one's right by B bomb.
Yeah, I'm at dumpsters.
Good job, team.
Ooh,
Get
he didn't
ready for the
expect me on
next
top of
round.
the dumpster though.
Yeah, let's win this D round here. Oh, don't do Tom. Oh,
Switching sides.
guys, ain't shit, bro. We got this.
Search and destroy.
I'm gonna set up at B this time sooner, that way he can't rush me. He
I'm
didn't
gonna
rush
what's
me,
it
actually.
called? I'm gonna yeah. On the if you sit on this car, you can see if they go B.
You can also put in my face. Yo, one just crossed into 3-story. Or 2-story. The middle.
Ooh, there's one up on that little balcony thing.
You get 2-story, Max?
I got him. One, in the middle.
He's right in front of me if you guys can see where I
Yeah,
am.
the other one will be like back spawn watching.
I'm at A. I'm just camping A.
He's right in front of me still.
Alright, I'm trying to get crouched behind a car. I'm trying to peek it. Yeah. Fucking
Literally just laying by A.
Is he up there?
Nah, I think he went back to the back way. He might be upstairs.
I don't know if that was him though.
Did you kill the one that was here? Oh, no, he's downstairs. He just ran to the mid street.
No, no.
Yeah, watch your mid res. The one with the garage. Do do do.
Time's almost up.
Might be near me. Yep.
By time if you.
I'm gonna no-scope him.
Fuck.
Oh, hello.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
That's
What just happened?
for Shane.
Did you
He
knife
kill
him?
himself?
No, I no-scoped him. That's for Shane. He'll go off the building, you know what I'm saying?
Ew. Did you mean to do that?
I meant to
Switching
no-scope
sides.
him, yes, but the jump was all just fucking after I missed 2. I was just trying to get
Search and
out
destroy.
of it, to be honest.
Nick, watch my cross, brother.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Breast and pepperonis. Oh, I'm not seeing it, Riley. I fell off the. Oh my god. I have no idea what just happened. Ooh.
Yeah, he's there.
Is he upstairs?
Nice garbage can. Wasn't on head glitch, he was literally just around the corner now.
Oh.
Oh, there's a dude upstairs.
So weird.
Nick, watch your garbage can, make sure he's not there still. Oh yeah, he's there. Nick, to your left. He's coming in the door. Yeah, he's around there, just on. Yeah. You're good, Nick. And the bomb, put it down.
It's gonna come from the old middle.
We got the bomb.
I'm just gonna plant. Gonna plant the explosive.
In the closet and then no-scope him.
I'm gonna lay behind the bomb. He's never gonna find me here. Actually, I'm just gonna head glitch it.
I'm pretty sure he's gonna be coming from our side. Oh, wait, never mind.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, I wasn't even close.
Yeah,
Coming from there. Tries to
I
defuse
think
it.
he's gonna. Oh, he saw me.
he doesn't have enough time to stay low.
He blew it. Hey!
Good run.
It's good fun.
And that is another win on the road to 100 GPNs. With your boy, Sniper March 22, Upfront Llama 209, and the one and only Hipster. Until next time, thank you for watching. Yo, that was kind of lit. Yo, that was kind of lit.